Okay, students, let's start. Chapter number 7, Two Little Kitties. It is a beautiful poem which shows us that of how our pets love us. हमारे pets हमें किस तरह प्यार करते हैं. What is the difference between the nature of a selfish man and an unselfish pet? What is the difference between them? Let's see. Two little kitties cuddled on my lap, snuggling so softly, taking a nap. Cuddled on my lap. देखो cuddle का मीनिंग क्या होता है? आपको नीचे दिया है lie or sit close. That means poet has two little kitties. Poet के पास कितने kitties है? Two little kitties है. You can see in his lap two little kitties. They are snuggling. They are taking a nap. Two little kitties cuddled on my lap, snuggling so softly, taking a nap. What's the meaning of nap? Nap means short sleep. जो आप दिन में अपने आप को रिफ्रेश करने के लिए 15 मिनट, आधा घंटा, 1 आवर जो आप थोड़ा सा एक रेस्ट लेते हैं, स्लीप लेते हैं, that is nap. So two little kitties, they are cuddling on the lap of the poet and they are taking a nap. They are sleeping. They give me so much comfort, making my heart less hollow. And everywhere I go, my two little kitties follow. They give me so much comfort. That means these two kitties, they give so much ease, so much comfortness to the poet. उन्हें बहुत क्या देती हैं? आराम देती हैं. जब आप किसी के साथ खुश होते हैं तो उनके साथ आप आराम फील करते हैं. Okay, so that is the make my heart less hollow. Make my heart less hollow means less a loneliness. The poet, he is living alone and he is feeling loneliness in his heart. So whenever he is with his kitties, he felt less lonely. And everywhere I go, my two little kitties follow. And everywhere, and wherever he go, वो जहाँ भी जाते थे, always they two little kitties, they always came after him. They always follow him. These two little kitties cuddled on my lap, snuggling so softly, taking a nap. So again these lines are repeated. Two little kitties cuddled on my lap. दोनों kitties क्या करती हैं? Cuddle करती हैं lap पे and they are snuggling so softly. They are sleeping so softly in a very comfortable position. And what they are doing? They are taking a nap. Yes, everywhere I go, they always follow me. Everywhere, wherever he go, he always they kitties always follow him. Always came after him. They seem to just enjoy my company. Means these two little kitties, they enjoy his company. उनके साथ रहना उन्हें कैसा लगता था? अच्छा लगता था. They always seem to just well love me and love me unconditionally. Very important line. उन्हें क्या लगता था? These two little kitties love him a lot. They love him a lot and they love him unconditionally. Unconditionally means without any condition. कोई कंडीशन नहीं होती लव करने की, कोई कंडीशन नहीं होती, कोई शर्त नहीं होती प्यार करने की. ऐसा नहीं कि पापा आप हमें आइसक्रीम ला के दोगे तभी हम आपको प्यार करेंगे. नो, these two little kitties, they love unconditionally. They love me when I'm poor and out of a job, even when I look and act like a slob. Slob means lazy person. They love me. These two little kitties always love the poet, whether he is poor और आउट ऑफ अ जॉब मीन्स अनएम्प्लॉयड. जब कोई जॉब नहीं होती, पुअर होते हैं, उस टाइम में भी क्या है, ये उसे क्या करते हैं? प्यार करती हैं. इवन व्हेन आई लुक एंड एक्ट लाइक अ स्लॉब एंड इवन व्हेन आई एक्ट लाइक अ स्लॉब, आई जस्ट एक्ट लाइक अ लेजी पर्सन, एट दैट टाइम ऑल्सो दे लव अ लॉट. They love me when I'm tired and crabby and dirty, even when I look very far from Perty. Perty is a local dialect. Local dialect में लिखा हुआ है. It is a pretty. Okay, local dialect में pretty के लिए क्या use किया उन्होंने? Pretty. So he is saying that they love me when he is tired, when he is angry. Crabby means short tempered. When he is very angry, bad tempered, and dirty. जब वो dirty होते हैं means whenever he is not taking bath and all. Even then they love a lot. My kitties love me just cause I am who I am and stick by me when I am in the worst jam. They love me for who I am. मैं जैसा हूँ मुझे वैसे ही प्यार करती हैं. And they always with me. They always with me when I'm in the worst jam, when I'm in the bad conditions of my life, when I'm facing the worst phase of my life. Even then, these two little kitties love me. They are never embarrassed by what I say or do. They don't notice my mistakes like most people do. And he said that these two little kitties, they never feel ashamed. मैं जो भी कहता हूँ जो भी करता हूँ कभी शेम फील नहीं करती. एंड दे डोंट नोटिस माई मिस्टेक लाइक मोस्ट पीपल डू. नाउ अ डेज द पीपल हैव द हैबिट टू नोटिस मिस्टेक ऑफ अदर्स. क्लासेस में भी आपने देखा है ना, मैम इसने उसको ये कह दिया, मैम वो ऐसे कह रहा था, मैम उसने ये किया. हम क्या करते हैं आज की लाइफ में हम दूसरों की मिस्टेक्स निकालने में ज्यादा ध्यान देते हैं. हम अपने आप को ठीक करने के बदले क्या करते हैं, दूसरों की मिस्टेक ज्यादा निकालते हैं. बट these two little kitties doing the same? No, they are not noticing the mistakes. They purr when I pet them and are always glad. तो ये purr sound of a cat है. जब cat को आप पेट करते हो ना, प्यार से उनके ऊपर हाथ फेरते हो, तो वो ये कंफर्टेबल से साउंड निकालती हैं. So that is purr. Just to see me even when I'm sad. Even when I'm sad also. जब मैं sad होता हूँ तभी मुझे खुश करने के लिए ये खुश ही रहती हैं. No matter how bad my day has been, they always make me feel better again. No matter how bad my days. No matter कि सारा दिन क्या हुआ, मैं कितना परेशान रहा, कितना मेरा बुरा दिन गया, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, क्योंकि जब मैं वापस आता हूँ तो ये मुझे बेटर फील कराती हैं. These two little kitties cuddled on my lap, snuggling so softly, taking a nap. The last paragraph is very important. Why can't people just treat me with acceptance and love unconditionally? Why can't the normal people treat me like this, like the cat they are treating me? Why normal people can't treat like that? With acceptance and love unconditionally. They have to accept, they have to love me unconditionally without any conditions. They should love me. Why must I always play by their rules? And if I fail, I am made to feel like a fool. He's saying that why I have to follow the rules of the society all the time. Why? To just to gain praise by others, just to be a better human being, I have to always follow the rules made by the society for me. And if I fail, I feel like a fool. I feel like an idiot. If only fox could love the way pets do, totally, unquestionably, unconditionally too. Fox means people, crowd. If the people, they love me like the way the pets do. How the pets love the poet, totally, unquestionably, unquestionably, अनकंडीशनली, बिना कोई क्वेश्चन पूछे, बिना किसी कंडीशन के, जैसे पेट्स प्यार करते हैं, एक नॉर्मल पीपल ऐसे प्यार क्यों नहीं कर सकते, नॉर्मल पीपल ऐसे प्रेस क्यों नहीं कर सकते जैसे पेट्स करती हैं. दिस टू लिटिल किटीज cuddled on my lap, snuggling so softly, taking a nap. So I hope this poem is understandable to you all.